Hi guys, just going to give you a little bit of troubleshooting should you ever come across it. It's quite rare in this industry, but from time to time it does pop up, is where your unit may be draining the battery overnight. Now we've only ever come across this on the Insignia 2014 Plus and years ago on the Skoda, but this is just a little way of getting around that. So basically you would need to go into settings. Now this menu might be a little bit different on yours. So obviously in this one here, it's under general settings and you look at the sleep time. Now when we get these units in, it's actually preset to 1 day sleep, which basically means the unit is running in the background when you are switching the car off, and then obviously you might find your battery's dead the next day. So obviously you change it down to the smallest sleep time. Don't put it on no sleep, because that basically means that it will stay on. You want to put it to the most minimum time frame possible, which is 2 hours on this one. It may be a bit smaller on yours, so just change that over and then you'll find out that this problem will be eradicated. Thanks very much, speak to you soon.